We are excited to welcome you here at the wonderful Computer History Museum in Mountain View to OktoberTech Silicon Valley 2024.
And this year we'll have over 600 people here today, and I'm hoping that by the end of the day you'll agree it's our best one yet.
Oktoberfest was incredible. I've never seen a company that was so warmly welcoming outside partners, that had so much great technology that they were developing and sharing it with others and willing to work with them. It's incredible. And here we are today, all the technologies you see out there, the mobility ideas, all the technology, we can spread to the whole world. The whole planet is connected. So it really is the best time in history for changing the world.
I am really impressed with Infineon's reach and how many different things they're doing. I mean, 90 demos here, that's incredible.
This is the world's first mass manufacturable 300mm gallium nitride wafer, which Infineon has come up with.
So in anything you do, collaboration is especially key. And when it comes to technology and high tech and semiconductors, you need all the collaboration you can get.
Take the time today to look at the demos and ultimately work on what we asked in the beginning, working together to make them possible.